How to troubleshoot common Trust Wallet errors. Hey guys, in today's video, I will show you the options how you can fix Trust Wallet errors. Now let's start. First things first is open your Play Store. Then tap search and look for Trust Wallet. Now, in your Trust Wallet application, make sure that it is updated. Just tap update. After you update your Trust Wallet application and still experiencing the errors, maybe you could try this option too. Now go to your settings and locate apps and notifications. Now in here, just look for Trust Wallet. All you have to do is to click the search icon at the top section, then search for Trust Wallet. Now, in your Trust Wallet, just select the storage and cache and tap clear cache and clear storage. After you clear the storage, you can try to log in your account again. Then this should fix your Trust Wallet errors. And if you like this video, please consider liking, sharing, and subscribing for more updates.